Hey guys, Wayne Stevenson here with a beginner build tip for you. This tip's going to save you a little bit of embarrassment on your first build. Maybe your second or third, who knows? But check it out. So, if you have no idea what I'm talking about, you're going to find out real quick why I call this an embarrassing situation. Well, if you've never dealt with nuts before, I can't really blame you. Especially these nylon posi lock nuts. They've got a nylon insert in the nut that locks this nut on tight. Now most people tighten their nut up till it gets about there and gets tight. Now the reason why that's wrong is because they haven't actually tightened the nut. Just got into the nylon bit and stopped right there. Now if you take a look at your propeller, you're going to see real quickly that when you get to the point where you think it's tight, it's not actually tight. To get around that, you actually need to use a tool and tighten it as snug as you can. Now, that's on tight. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope that helps you out. Here's a couple things to think about. 1, don't over tighten your props, and 2, don't put that nut on without having your propeller on. Once you blow past that nylon nut, it could damage it when you're pulling it out, making it useless. If that ever happens, buy yourself a new nut or maybe use some Loctite on there. Take care.